Certainly. Here are 10 business ideas that you can start with little to no initial investment, ranging from $0 to $1,000. Freelance Services offer your skills in writing, graphic design, social media management, or programming on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. No investment is needed. You just need your skills and a computer. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. You can handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Start with a computer, internet connection, and free communication tools. Online tutoring, if you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, offer tutoring services online. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com can connect you with students. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Create content around your passion or expertise. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Dropshipping. Create an e-commerce store and partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping. You only purchase the product when you make a sale. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. You can use social media or a blog for promotion. Social media management. Offer your services to businesses looking to improve their online presence. Use free tools initially and reinvest profits as your business grows. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. Use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy to sell your products. Event planning. Start a small event planning business. Utilize your organizational skills to plan and coordinate events, starting with small local gatherings. Photography services. If you have a camera and some photography skills, offer your services for events, portraits, or stock photography. Build a portfolio and promote your work on social media. Remember to thoroughly research and plan before starting any business, and adapt these ideas to match your skills and interests.